Hi everyone, welcome back to Benidorm. It's a new day, and sadly, summer is coming to an end. Past few days we haven't really had to bust the weather. Bit chilly, bit windy, and we have had some rain. Yeah, there's a lot more scheduled to come soon. Just showing you that the clouds coming in. I mean, they aren't as bad as the ones we saw yesterday when we were up by Camp in Racco. They were literally black storm clouds that you could tell what they are pretty much. The beaches, not busy, but it's busy-ish. But there are still some people on it, just trying to make the most of the weather, I suppose. I mean, not really much to do on a wet day, really. I mean, I suppose a few bars do offer some entertainment, but not really until the afternoon sort of time of day. Gonna take a walk through Elche Park, take a walk down towards the Elche Park fountain and maybe have some fun. We have got a bag of bird food, so maybe try feed the doves. Outdoor gym there. Of course, the pirate ship. And it has got peaceful down there, to be honest. Oh, it's a great walk down there. Boat trips are on today as well, by looks of it, guys. I wonder how long they are going to be on for there. Probably stop as soon as it starts raining. Gonna try cut off. Coming by all the palm trees now. Nice little area to sit round here, under the palm trees in the shade, maybe, or even a bit of shelter from the rain when it comes down. Cutting back off into the fire of it now. Looks like they're cutting some of the palm trees back a bit. But they have kind of blocked off one whole area at the park. Bit stupid really, but hey ho. And the doves are coming up. So we're gonna find a little area to go, sort of feed them and yeah, see if we can get some good videos. Looks like someone's put a load of crisp out for them, so follow. There they are, guys. The beautiful doves. Let's see if we can get one on Sue's scooter. Just, no, not too much. Not too much. Come on. Yeah, but it is flat. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hola. Come on. There we go. Oh, they're a bit scared. Come on. Beautiful. They are so gentle, guys. Makes for a brilliant picture. Jesus, Mum's got a friend. Hello, mate. Oh, shit now. Jesus. Okay, I've made a friend. I've got no food left for you, mate. Mum's got friends as well. Bye, mate. Yeah, best put your hood up in case I poop on you. Hello. Hello. Oh, so gentle. Ain't you?
Get the bag out now.
Don't blooming swarmed you. Don't walk in onto your scooter using it as a... No, I'll put some on here. Come on. Oh, it fell off. Don't using your scooter as a tunnel. They are so gentle.
No, they're not. You're great, but yeah, they're going to come. They're going to spot it.
I've been swarmed by doves. Let's see if they get to run on your back box. Nah, not going for it. But I've dropped the food now, mate. I've dropped the food. What? Wow. He knocked me off and made me drop it. But hang on, mate. Let me get me hand flat. Oh, you silly dove. Every time, like, right, got to get me hand flat. Well, this is fun. Hello, dove. This is how cool they are, guys. Mum's got a few friends now, finally. Been lonely her whole life. Absolute. I know. Give us just like. No. Keep your head still. No, it's not gonna work. You're too big-headed. Look at that, guys. Most elegant birds. Absolutely beautiful. I think I'm gonna end the video here. Jesus! Hello, mate. Hello. What's your name?
Cecil.
Don't you dare! Don't! No!
No, stand still.
Don't put it on me, Yod! Don't! Shit it out! Cheers for watching the video today, guys. Beautiful walk through Elche Park, feeding the doves. Yeah, hope you enjoyed. See you soon. Oh, I've just had one on my shoe. Adios.